A fuel filter warning light indicates a potential issue with your vehicle's fuel filter, which is crucial for preventing contaminants from reaching the engine. Modern vehicles from 2020 and newer use sophisticated engine control units to monitor fuel filter pressure in real time. Some advanced systems can even predict filter clogging 500 to 1,000 miles before critical failure occurs. The warning light can appear in three different ways, each indicating a different level of urgency. A solid light means immediate attention is needed when the filter reaches 70 to 80% capacity. A flashing light indicates a critical condition when the filter reaches 90% capacity or there's a system malfunction. An intermittent light provides an early warning at 50 to 60% capacity. To diagnose the issue, start by connecting an OBD scanner to retrieve fuel system-related codes like P0087, P088, or P023U through P0233. Clear the codes and test drive for 10 to 15 miles. Then rescan for persistent codes to confirm the diagnosis. Perform a visual inspection by checking the fuel filter housing for leaks, inspecting electrical connections, and examining fuel lines for damage. It's important to know that about 35% of fuel filter warnings are actually system-related issues, not problems with the filter condition itself. This means proper diagnosis is crucial before replacing the filter. When the fuel filter warning light persists after initial diagnosis, the next step is measuring fuel pressure. This critical test determines if the filter is actually restricting fuel flow. Additionally, measure the fuel delivery rate. The standard rate should be 1 to 2 gallons per minute at idle. Low flow rates indicate filter restriction even if pressure appears normal. If testing confirms the filter needs replacement, safety procedures are critical. Always relieve fuel system pressure first, disconnect the battery negative terminal, and ensure proper ventilation in your work area. During filter replacement, pay careful attention to flow direction. Note the arrow or marking on the old filter before removal. Then install the new filter with the same orientation. Incorrect installation can cause fuel flow problems. After filter replacement, or even without replacement, resetting the ECU often resolves the warning light. You can disconnect the battery for 15 minutes, use an OBD scanner reset function, or follow manufacturer-specific procedures. Here's an important fact. 80% of fuel filter warning lights are resolved through proper system reset procedures, not actual filter replacement. Sometimes, like in the 2023 Ford F-150 EcoBoost case study, an ECU software update is required to recognize new filter specifications.